Welcome student. Now in this lecture we are going to read about derive an expression for moment of inertia of a uniform disk. About its axis passing through the center and perpendicular to the plane, means axis which is perpendicular to the plane, means this one. Now for this, first we have to consider a disk, uniform disk of mass capital M and radius r from the center. Now suppose this ring is consist of number of concentric ring. Okay, now for this we have to consider a ring, imaginary ring of distance smaller from the center, and thickness of this ring is dr and mass of this ring is dm. Okay, the small dm is mass of imaginary ring, small dr is thickness of imaginary ring, and smaller is distance of imaginary ring from the center. Okay, now from formula, sigma is what? Surface density. Surface density is equal to mass upon area. Okay. Now area of imaginary ring. Area of imaginary ring is equal to 2 pi r into dr. Okay. Now mass of imaginary ring. Mass of imaginary ring is equal to area into this one, means what? Sigma into 2 pi r into dr. Okay, this is what? Mass of imaginary ring. Now moment mi means what? Moment of inertia of imaginary ring. Moment of inertia of imaginary ring is equal to, you know very well what? I is equal to the mass into r square. This one is mass and this one is r. Now by using this formula in this equation, we will get moment of inertia of imaginary ring is mass. Mass means this one, sigma 2 pi r into dr into area means, sorry, this one is mass into area, sigma into, or this one r square. Correct? This is mass, and this is distance. Okay, now this will become 2 pi r into dr sigma r cube. Okay, this is what? Moment of inertia of imaginary ring. Now moment of inertia of circular disc is what? Integration of, this is di, integration of di from 0 to r. Why? Because it is consists of large number of ring having distance from 0 to r. Now this is equal to 0 to r sigma 2 pi r cube into dr. Okay, now sigma 2 pi is constant, then sigma into 2 pi, this one sigma into 2 pi 0 to r cube into dr. By using the formula of integration x to the power n into dx, we will get x to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. This means n is what? Power. Now by using this formula here, we will get sigma into 2 pi. This will become r4 upon 4, 0 to r. This is lower limit and this one is upper limit. Then by using the formula 2 pi r4 upon 4 minus 0, upper limit minus lower limit, then we will get sigma 2 pi r4 upon 4. By cutting it, we will get sigma pi r4 upon 2. Okay, now you know very well what? Moment of inertia of a disc. Mass of disc is given by m, and m is again surface density to area, means what? Sigma into pi r square. By putting this equation, by splitting this equation also rewrite in the form of pi r square into r square upon 2. Okay, means what? This r square and r square become r4. Now this m, sigma pi r, in place of this we will write m, capital M. Then what? This one, moment of inertia of disc will become capital M r square upon 2. This one is what? Moment of inertia of a uniform disk, mr square upon 2. Okay. Now in the next lecture we will study about kinetic energy of rotational body. Thank you.